Welcome to Cornwall Garage Door Centre. Based in Truro and covering the whole of Cornwall, we have over 30 years' experience in the supply, installation and repair of garage doors for domestic customers. We supply a wide range of products and are the selected installers for well-known brands such as Garador, Securaglide, Novafirm, Cardale, Wessex, Gliderol, Horman, Rundum-Mere and Marantech, as well as repairing obsolete brands such as Henderson and King. Up and over doors are the most widely fitted garage doors in the UK and are available in a huge range of styles. Their simple one-piece panel construction makes them easy to use, strong, reliable and secure. They are available with either canopy or retractable mechanisms. Sectional garage doors allow for exceptionally smooth operation. They maximise the drive-through width of a garage opening, allowing for close parking inside and out, and they give greater headroom clearance to accommodate larger vehicles. Roller doors make the best use of available space by allowing parking inches from the door, as well as freeing up overhead storage space. Most of our doors are available with automation, and we supply and install only the highest quality and cutting-edge models, which are effortless to use, highly secure, and some are integrated with an anti-burglar device. Our doors are available in a range of materials, including galvanized steel, ABS plastic, GRP, timber and aluminium, and our insulated doors combine a tough twin-walled shell with a polystyrene core. We have a wide choice of styles, colours and finishes to suit both traditional and modern properties, and we have numerous types of handle hardware and automation control options to choose from. If you prefer to install the garage door yourself, we are happy to offer supply-only deals and can deliver anywhere in Cornwall or across the UK through our network of suppliers, and we are usually able to beat local builders merchants on price. We offer exceptional aftercare to our customers and can supply replacement parts, repair and servicing for most makes and models. Our team are highly knowledgeable and can identify any issues fast and comprehensively to get your door functioning properly again. We stock many parts, including cables, springs, locks, handles, roller spindles and link arms, as well as replacement remote controls and garage door motors. We pride ourselves on ensuring excellent value for money without compromising on quality, and whatever your garage door requirements, we are confident that we can help. For more information, you can visit us at our showroom, which is the largest in Cornwall, or call us on 01872 275 997.